How to change email address on Temu app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. For this, you will require the Temu application. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Once it has been installed, tap Open this app. The first step you have to do is log into your account. Once you have been logged in and you want to change your email address, simply follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here you have different options. Tap on the option of account security. As you can see, your account details are here, such as your mobile phone number, email and password. If you want to edit any of this, you also have the option to do so. Simply tap on the edit button next to the email. As you can see, your current email is given here. If you want to change it, you first have to enter a new email address that you want to associate with your Temu account. Once you have added the new email address, tap on the continue option. Then it's going to say that to continue, you will have to complete the verification step. An email has been sent with the verification code. You simply want to enter the verification code in the box and then your email address will be successfully changed. The new email can be used to sign in the Temu account and reset your password if you have forgotten it. Tap on the continue option, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.